Hi, beautiful souls out there. I am Seema Kukreja, and I'm a relationship coach for mothers healing emotional distances with their adult children. In today's video, I'll guide you through a gentle EFT tapping ritual to release emotional tension and open your heart to reconnection. This practice is simple, powerful, and only takes a few minutes. Let's begin with a deep breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Repeat again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Again. Inhale deeply, more deeply, and exhale slowly. So, one more thing I want to tell about the deep breath inhaling. Whenever you feel anxious or some worry is crippling in your mind, just hold yourself for a moment and take few deep breaths. Okay. Uh, and start releasing that from your mouth. So that will help you a lot to release the tension. Move away from the place wherever you are standing or something, and then just get away from that place and do this breath work. This is very helpful. Now let's come back to EFT tapping technique. Okay. So EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, also known as tapping. It's a healing tool that combines gentle tapping on a specific energy meridian points while speaking affirmations. This helps calm the nervous system, release emotional blocks, and shift stuck energy, especially in relationships. It's like acupuncture without the needles, using your fingertips to stimulate your body's healing response. Now, I'll show you how to do it. We'll tap on a few main points and let me walk you through them. So the how you use is you use two fingers or you can use three fingers for tapping. And then there are different body points, different tapping points, which we use during the technique. So first I'll show you the tapping points. Where are those tapping points? And then when I am repeating, you can look at me and do that repetition along with tapping your tapping points. Okay. So the first point is called the karate chop point. So karate chop point is this area of your hand, and like when you're tapping, you do like this. Okay. So count in your mind, at least tap up to 5 to 7 times. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whenever you're speaking any affirmation, you're tapping. So this is your first point, the karate chop point. Then second is your eyebrow point. Eyebrow point is on the top of the eyebrows. So you use two fingers and you do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the third one is side of the eye point. So side of the eye point or the temple area, which is this area. Okay. So when you're doing, you will use again these two fingers and say inside you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because initially when you have to get used to it, you have to say that. Otherwise, automatically you'll get used to. But you are repeating the affirmation like this. Okay. And then one point, the next point is under the eye on the bone. So this is the bone. Okay, I'll just show you without my glasses. This is the bone and this is the under the eye. So when you're tapping, you will do. Okay. And the next one is under the nose. So under the nose is, this is the area. And when you're doing the tapping, when I say under the nose, or when you look at me doing it, automatically you also shift your hands to those points and repeat those affirmations. So under the nose is this, and you are doing the tapping like this. Okay. Then comes your chin point. Chin point is this. And then collarbone point. Collarbone is this. So you are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then under the arm. So you raise your arm like this, and then with two fingers, you just do both the arms. First one arm and the second arm. And then top of the head. Top of the head is this area, and center of the scalp. So when you're doing the tapping, you will say, and when I'm doing the affirmation, you repeat it along with me. And then please practice this for at least 1 week, for the next 1 week, to have better results in your life. So now we'll get into the tapping technique with the affirmation. So what you'll do is you'll gently tap. You won't tap it harder. You'll gently tap. Like slowly you'll be tapping, because this will in a way release all the blocked energy or the blocked thoughts or the blocked, see, continuously we get some negative thoughts in our minds, right? So when we tap these points, it will help us to release those negative points and create positivity uh, in our thought process. Plus, when we are speaking those affirmations loudly, you're actually telling universe to make it happen in your life. Okay, so now let's start with the technique. Okay, so let's begin. So step one, set up a phrase at the karate chop point. So when we are telling any phrase, we will do 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. So how are we saying? Now let me start with this. And also what I will do, I will give you this entire script in the video below, right? So you can do it yourself. First few days you follow, or just keep playing this video again and again, and you learn it yourself. So the first intention now we are doing is, I'll just set up one statement. Even though there is tension between me and my child, my adult child, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So then now what we are doing, we are repeating it 3 times. Now how we are doing it? Even though there is tension between me and my adult child, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Repeat again. Even though there is tension between me and my adult child, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though there is tension between me and my adult child, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So now we are going to the next point. Now, eyebrow. Here. I feel this tension in my heart. I feel this tension in my heart. I feel this tension in my heart. So much unsaid between us. The side of the eyes, so much unsaid between us. Under the eye, I've carried guilt, pain, and confusion. I've carried guilt, pain, and confusion. Part of me doesn't know how to fix it. Part of me doesn't know how to fix it. But I'm open to healing. But I'm open to healing. I choose to release this emotional heaviness. I choose to release this emotional heaviness. I choose to reconnect with love and softness under the arms. I choose to reconnect with love and softness. I choose to reconnect with love and softness. I allow peace to return to this bond above the head. I allow peace to return to this bond. Now let's do the second round again. Eyebrow. Now we are reinforcing the new phrase. First, we have released the older one. Now we will be reinforcing a new phrase. So now what are we saying? I release all tension between me and my child. This is on the eyebrows. I release all tension between me and my child. Side of the eye. I let go of blame and control. I let go of blame and control under the eye. I open my heart to understanding. I open my heart to understanding under the nose. I invite compassion into this space. I invite compassion into this space. I trust love is always present. I trust love is always present. Collarbone. I am healing. Collarbone. I am healing, and that's enough for now. I am healing, and that's enough for now. My energy is shifting under the arm. Again, another arm. My energy is shifting. Now, top of the head. I trust this healing will ripple into their heart too. Repeat again. I trust this healing will ripple into their heart too. Right? So, take a deep breath in. Again. Now place your hands on your heart and whisper, I am healing. I am love. I am open. Repeat again. I am healing. I am love. I am open. You're doing the inner work that matters the most. Save this video to repeat the tapping anytime you feel disconnected. And if you want more healing tools, rituals, and support to reconnect with your adult child, subscribe or follow me or comment below. We will get in touch with you. Join my WhatsApp community for more further nurturing, for more such updates. And let me know if this helped shift something in you today. And also kindly practice this for at least 1 week to give you better results. And I'll come up with the next another technique next time in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care and goodbye. Love yourself.